During these counter-singing exchanges, you might hear a female join in. It's not a song, but the call she's really good at, the chatter I mentioned a few moments ago. When the female uses her chatter call while her mate is singing his song, it's considered a duet, and sounds like this. You might be tempted to say, ah, see, female Carolina wrens do sing. But in the world of birds, particularly songbirds, the chatter call does not meet the requirements since true songs are learned, and she didn't learn the chatter, it was with her straight